In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scrape any website with this n8n integration. We'll start right from the n8n dashboard. Head to the Workflows area, which is where you manage and build all your automations. If your view opens somewhere else, look for the Workflows section in the main navigation and go there first. This is the central place we'll use to access a ready-made solution for scraping. From the Workflows page, open the main menu. Depending on your layout, this might be a sidebar, toggle, or a menu icon near the top left. Opening the menu reveals helpful shortcuts and resources that come with n8n, including access to a library of pre-built automations. Next, choose Templates. Templates are curated, reusable workflows that save you time and help you follow best practices. They're especially helpful for tasks like scraping, where the general pattern is similar but the details can vary by site. Once you're in Templates, use the search bar and type Scrape My Websites. This narrows the results to scraping-focused templates designed to pull content from web pages. As results appear, take a moment to read the brief descriptions. You'll typically see which integrations are involved, what kind of data the template collects, and how it's structured. This quick review helps you pick the template that best matches your use case, whether you want headlines, product details, or general page text. When you've found the one that fits, click Use. This tells n8n to prepare that template for your environment so you can review and customize it later as needed. The Use action doesn't change anything in your existing workflows. It simply brings a copy of the template into your space so you can work with it safely. Finally, choose to import it into your cloud space. If you're prompted to select a space or environment, pick the one where you manage your production or testing workflows based on your team's setup. Importing into your cloud space ensures the template is available in your account with the right permissions and context. That's it. You've navigated from the Workflows area, opened the menu, accessed templates, searched for Scrape My Websites, selected a suitable template, and imported it into your cloud space. From here, you can explore the nodes and adjust settings to fit your target site and data needs. As always, be mindful of each website's terms of service and robots.txt, and only scrape content you're allowed to collect. This approach gives you a reliable, maintainable starting point for web scraping inside n8n without building everything from scratch.